pretend today that this is the sun and this is the earth. We know that the sun is in the middle of our solar system and that the planets go around the sun. But let's learn a little bit more about how this works in our world. So the earth spins on its axis, which means it's spinning around just from the middle point of the earth. Now, as it spins around, sometimes this part of the world is facing the sun, and sometimes it's facing away from the sun. We live right here in North America. Now, right now, North America is facing the sun and it's getting lots of energy from the sun, whereas Asia, which is on the other side of the world, is in the shadow, and so it's not getting as much energy from the sun. We call this daytime when we are facing the sun, and nighttime when we are facing away from the sun. When it's daytime in Asia, it's nighttime in North America. And when it's daytime in North America, it's nighttime in Asia. But not only are we spinning on our own axis, but we're also revolving around our star as well. As we revolve around the star, we're at a little bit of an angle. We're not straight up and down. So because of that, sometimes the northern part of the globe gets more energy from the sun. And sometimes, when it's facing away from the sun, it gets less energy from the sun. And this is what causes the seasons. When the northern part of the world is facing the sun, this is called summertime, because as it spins on its axis, we get more sunlight. And we get more energy from the sun and more heat from the sun. Then it fades into fall and it becomes about equal. And by the time winter comes, we are facing away from the sun. So even though we're still getting day and night, we're not getting as much energy from the sun as we used to. When it's winter time in the northern part of the world, it's summertime in the southern part of the world. And that is what causes the seasons.